Once upon a time, there lived a shimmering fish named Finn in a vibrant coral reef. Unlike his plain grey friends, Finn sparkled with every color imaginable. He had scales that glittered like jewels, making him the most dazzling fish in the reef. Finn loved his shiny scales, but he also felt lonely. Other fish wouldn't play with him, jealous of his dazzling glow. Oh, look at Finn showing off again. They'd grumble and swim away. One day, a grumpy sea turtle named Gil saw the Finn swimming alone. "Why the long face, little fish?" Gil rumbled. Finn, with a tear in his eyes, explained his loneliness. Gil chuckled. "Perhaps you should share your shine, brighten their day." Finn gasped. Could he truly give away his precious scales? Taking a deep breath, Finn swam back to his friends. "Would anyone like a shimmering scale?" he asked shyly. A little blue fish named Bubbles gasped. "A sparkly scale for me? Really?" Finn carefully gave Bubbles a scale, and her face lit up like the sun. Soon other fish gathered, each receiving a sparkling gift. Slowly, the dull reef transformed into a rainbow wonderland. Finn, though no longer the shyest fish, felt a warmth he had never known before. He had friends. He learned that sharing his gift, even a part of it, brought more joy than keeping it all to himself. From that day on, Finn's scales may have dimmed a bit, but his heart shone brighter than ever. If you like this story, please subscribe the channel, like and share it with others. See you in the next video.